Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to take you on a little journey. One that's filled with warmth, flavor, and a dash of South African history. We're going to talk about the dish that holds a special place in the hearts of many South African, fish curry. Down by the coast, where the ocean meets the land, you'll find a community of fishermen who've been casting their nets for generations. Their catch of the day isn't just fish, it's the foundation of some of the most mouth-watering dishes you could ever imagine. The origins of South African fish curry goes way back. And like many of the country's culinary tradition, it's a blend of influences: the Dutch, the Portuguese, the Malay, and Indian communities. Each group brought something unique to the table, and over time, those influences fused together to create a dish that's distinctly South African. Now, this curry isn't like your typical red or green curry. It's something special. The spices used are warm and comforting but not overwhelming. Cumin, coriander, turmeric, and curry powder blend together to create this deep, earthy flavor that clings to the tender fish. Whether you're serving it with a side of fluffy rice or bread, this dish has a way of bringing people together. You can almost feel the history and tradition in every bite. And that's the beauty of it. A dish that traveled across time and borders and still brings comfort to home all around South Africa today. It's a reminder that food has the power to tell stories. Stories of culture, of family, and of shared experiences. You know, every time I make this dish, it feels like I'm not cooking. I'm connecting with the generations of people who've made it before me, and that's what makes it so special. So if you ever find yourself craving something with layers of flavor, warmth, and a little piece of South Africa on your plate, give fish curry a try. Trust me, it'll take you on a journey of its own. As the fish simmer in the fragrant sauce, something magical happens. The flavor melt together perfectly. It's a dish that feels like a hug from the inside. And what's even better is it's not just for special occasion. South Africans eat fish curry throughout the week, from weeknight dinners to weekend feast. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey today. I hope you enjoy hearing about the magic of South African fish curry. If you ever want to try making it yourself, don't forget to subscribe for more stories and recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!